was developed and trialled by me for a combat military unit based in the northwest of the United Kingdom. I received great feedback from the regiment. I want to present to you their feedback so you can begin to understand how a combat military unit based in the UK, those participants assessed their flow ability. By improving control over their bodies and with continued practice, they experience greater confidence in their own ability. In essence, the body conditioned the mind with a sense of can do. You can use their feedback to assess your own flow ability. So allow me to read their feedback from my book of the same name, Find Your Flow, Take the Path of Mastery. I asked the participants of a military combat unit based in the northwest of the United Kingdom, what were the strengths of the event? What did you find most useful and enjoyable, and why? And here are the responses I received. So I'm going to read them from the book itself. The encouragement of self-actualization and assessment to improve in each task skill. The message that it's okay not to get everything right the first time, as you're learning, and that with practice and experience comes improvement. All sessions helped me to relax and showed the importance of keeping control. I enjoyed learning about how the body can instruct the mind. I enjoyed that it was physical and that we weren't just sitting and listening right the way through to a speaker. I like the way John explained the flow state and how it links to the mind. And if it's too stressful, then it's much harder to access the flow state. I enjoyed the journey in that I started with a basic understanding of what flow is, but reinforced that understanding during this session. Get moving. Take myself out of my comfort zone. Now, I had lots more feedback, but I think that gives you a general idea how to assess your flow ability. So the best thing I can recommend you do at this moment in time is to practice and practice and practice. And sooner or later, beyond the 21 days, you will lose yourself in what you're doing and you will begin to experience flow.